Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Mehran speaking and today we have another unboxing for you. So this is a Vegue VG-016. As you can see on the box, this is a USB microphone and I bought it for 40 euros, which I think it's cheap. Inside the box we have the microphone itself. This is a USB microphone, so there is a USB port on the bottom of the microphone. The USB port is from type B and it's good enough. This is the table clamp, the stand, mic holder, pop filter, and finally a windscreen. Now that we know what we have and what we're dealing with, let's build it up. Okay, so you can hear me from this microphone. I'm not using any filters, I'm not using any pop filters. As you can see, there's no windscreen on the microphone. So this is me talking to the microphone with raw audio. So I'm trying to test this microphone in many positions as possible. So now I'm pretty close to the microphone, as you can see, and now I'm trying to get farther away from the microphone so you can hear the difference. And now I'm talking to the left of the microphone, to the top of the microphone, to the right of the microphone. Okay, now that I've put this pop filter on, you should be able to hear the sound of P and S very softly and gently compared to before, like popcorn. And now I try to stay silent so you can hear the background noise if there's any. If you have listened closely with a pair of headphones with high volume, you should be able to hear some background noise. However, keep in mind though, this microphone is a USB microphone which costs below 50 euros. So I think it's a fair deal. By the way, I have used this microphone for this project and let me know in the comments if you liked it or not.